Woody! Winnie, my family! I'm so happy to see you. You know how long I missed you? 6 years. I missed you so much for 6 years. Guys, you know what's it like a family being departed. And now I'm happy to see you. This is called family reunion. And I'm very surprised that my invitation was found in my mail. So oh, the group hug. Family group hug. Oh, everybody, let's do the Woody laugh, you know. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love the good old times. The delicious nostalgia. Okay. Oh, group hug, everybody. Oh, and now the goodbye hugs. I love giving goodbye hugs. It makes me feel happy and so touching and melting my heart. Oh, thank you so much. I'll have a good day. I'm gonna have fun in Super Mario Land. Woohoo! I'll have a good day. Don't worry, I'll be safe from Buzz Buzzard. He's still out to get me again. Oh, don't worry, I know karate. Yep, I'll be on the safe side for you and my father.